Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a list view in Salesforce, a skill that will make managing your data faster, smarter, and more organized. Whether you're tracking leads, accounts, or opportunities, this guide will help you tailor Salesforce to your workflow. First, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, head over to the app launcher at the top left of your screen. This is your gateway to all Salesforce objects like accounts, leads, or opportunities. Click on the object you want to work with to open its records table. Now, look at the top right corner of the table and click the gear icon. This opens the settings menu where you'll find the option to create a new list view. Give your list a clear and descriptive name. For example, new customers if you want to track recent additions. A good name ensures you can easily find this list later. Next, decide who can see your list view. You can make it private, share it with all users, or limit it to specific groups. Choose what makes the most sense for your team and the data's confidentiality. Once done, hit Save. To refine your list, click Add Filter. Choose a field like name and set a condition, for instance, names that start with John. This lets you focus on the exact data you need. Click Done, and don't forget to save your filters. Finally, customize the columns in your list view. Click Select Fields to display, then move the fields you want from Available to Visible. You can also rearrange the column order using the up and down arrows, making it easier to scan and interpret your data at a glance. Once everything looks perfect, click Save one last time, and that's it. Your custom Salesforce list view is ready, giving you a cleaner, more efficient way to manage your records and boost productivity. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Salesforce tips and full training guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.